Hey, what's up, YouTube? You know what time it is. It's tool hauling time. But anyways, I'm going to start off with this Lang Tools rethreading set. And it's made by Lang Tools, of course. And it is, looks like part number 971. And it's 48 pieces. And these are all the sizes that it has. But Snap-on sells this exact set. Bahco sells it. And I believe Max sells it. Craftsman has it labeled. So it's a great set. I was able to pick it up first. $70 shipped. That's right. And I think that was from eBay. And so gonna move along. Close the drawer to this here. Check that out. That is my new tool cart side cab. It's not actually for the tool cart, but they sell it at Harbor Freight, you know, for the toolboxes. And so I picked one up for my tool cart. Yeah. And these bad boys here, I got these this month too. We'll start in the back. I got that channel lock set off Amazon for about $30 shipped, 29 something shipped, which was a sweet deal. And I'm a big fan of mini pliers, so I picked up that 424 set as well. Got that for $10 drop down. And then these are the Wildy flush fastener pliers, slip joints. They got flush fastener, and I was able to pick those up for $5, brand new at Wheeler Dealer. It's a local store we have in town. There's also one in Eugene and Woodburn. Maybe in Portland. I've heard there's one in Portland, but I'm not sure. Not certain. I'm not positive. I think the person that told me that was in Portland was just bullshitting, blowing smoke. So yeah. Some other things I got from Wheeler Dealer were these weird bits. Pack of 10, Phillips 2, and they have they got the label around them. Pretty stoked on those. And these K-Pox here, pretty stoked to get these bad boys. I got these off of Amazon.de, as in Doug Eric. So check it out. I paid under $160 shipped for the 6 pairs from Germany. And this is the 10-inch pair here. 10-inch pair dykes. This is the 8-inch bolt cutters with the notch. It says it's notched, yeah. You see those lines down there? Yeah. These here. I bet you guys are looking at this like, what? Well, there's the part number, 8703125. I don't think they sell them in the States, but if they do, they're going to be like $60. Like I said, $160 shipped for all of them. It's my 20% angle, or 20-degree angle dykes. My plier wrench. These are sweet. I use these undoing the bolts on putting this side cab on. These I'm stoked about too. You know, I'm not a big fan of the long-handled ones. That's why I only have one pair, and it took me forever to spend the money on them. Because I'm not a big fan, you know? But these, fudge, yeah. I'm all about that. So, stoked. I'll give you the part number on these. It's 38, 91, 200. And I found these at work yesterday. My first actual, maybe snap-on, but not actual snap-on tool. Some Blue Point PR38 snap ring pliers. And they're made in the USA, and they even got the old Blue Point stamp. So, ain't that a deal? But this is old Dirty Dougly showing off his pliers that he got this month. The GL12s, GL10s, and the GL6s. Made in the USA by Channel Lock. And I got a pair of soft jaws on those. Alright, likes, subs, comments, peace.